Hey guys, it's Katie and welcome back to my channel. This is Hooked and Hemmed. We do fun crochet content. Welcome back to Vlogmas day 13, I believe. So we have our cookie baking party tomorrow, so that's fun. I do have to package that order from last night we didn't finish. Right now we're testing how my son's gonna do with the Christmas tree and hope he doesn't knock it over, because he was asleep when I put it up last night and now he's like, whoa, Christmas. So we'll see how he does today, but it is almost 10 a.m. right now. It's like 9:40. My son slept until 8:30 again, so yay. But yeah, we're gonna bake some cookies this afternoon. I want to bake my sugar cookies this afternoon so they have time to cool, and then I can decorate them this evening. I'm hoping my friends show up, but I don't know if they're gonna come because usually I have friends over to help me bake, but it's a giant snowstorm, so I don't know if anyone's gonna show up. But yeah, so I might just be baking mine myself. My sister offered for me to come over because she has 2 ovens and a huge kitchen, but I don't know if I want to drag all my stuff over there. We'll see. It would be nice to have a helping hand, but also it's kind of nice to just stay home and chill. He's found the crochet Christmas trees, which that's fine. He can't hurt those, and they're soft. They're like little stuffed animals. Just don't touch the real tree. He got this fun thing for his birthday, so we're playing with it. And Vader really wants to play with it too, but he can't, because he will lose these balls under the couch. So cool. Is that so cool? Since he's currently distracted with his toy, I'm gonna work on this hat that I started for my niece a few Vlogmases ago and try to finish it. So let's do that before we start baking and stuff. Probably gonna bake around noon. I don't know, whenever he winds down a little bit, starts maybe taking a nap, I'll try to start baking. But right now I'm like, I gotta watch him, so I can't really bake yet. I just remembered to take all my butter out of the fridge because it has to be softened, so we can't even start baking till we have softened butter anyway. So I'll let that sit out for a little bit, soften, and then we can start baking. I think the only recipe I don't need softened butter for is the fudge, but I don't know if I'm gonna make that yet or if I'll just wait. I gotta wait till the dishwasher's done because my big pot's in there. But so I put my butter here on the stove to soften faster, because sometimes when the stove's hotter it like helps it soften faster. I'm also cooking up some Italian sausage because I'm making a queso dip for a party tomorrow that I'm going with my sister. And then I'm also boiling some water for lunch so I can have some pasta for lunch. Yeah, and then hopefully after lunch I can start baking some cookies, but I have to wait for this butter to get a little softer. So I'm just using Steph Pappas's recipe for cowboy queso for this. So hopefully it's good. I like queso, so I'm excited. And it's kind of like the cowboy caviar, I guess, because it has like beans and corn in it, which, I mean, that's a little bit different than normal queso. So I'm excited. I just hope it tastes good, and hopefully I don't make it too spicy. Velveeta is so gross to me. Like, it's just a hunk of gelatinous cheese. Fake cheese. I don't even know what it is. I just added a little bit of Cajun and a little bit of hot sauce for now, and then once it cooks and I mix it up, I'll taste it and see if it needs some more. He's got a little pasta and chicken for lunch, and I'm just having some pasta with cheese, and then I have all my baking ingredients on my table right now. It's kind of a mess, but we're gonna get baking here soon, hopefully. Uh-oh. Making my sugar cookie dough right now. I'm probably gonna make all the doughs and then I can just like cook them all one after the other, I feel like. Especially because my hot cocoa cookies have to be refrigerated for an hour, so I'm gonna just make all the doughs and then I'll cut these out and start baking. Just assembly line bacon. I'll forever wish I had a stand mixer because adding flour to the wet ingredients and like stopping every time is quite annoying. And honestly, half the time half the time I prefer to just like mix it by hand because I feel like it's just easier sometimes. I feel like it's so difficult and it always gets stuck in the like beaters, so I just fold it in by hand. Alright, I put the sugar cookie dough in the fridge. I'm gonna go ahead and try to make the chocolate cookies next and then the snickerdoodles. Honestly, I'm gonna make the snickerdoodles first because I feel like those are easier. Alright, snickerdoodle dough is done. I'm gonna throw this in the fridge. All I have to do is roll it in cinnamon sugar and then put it on a pan and bake it. So that one will be pretty easy. I'm definitely gonna cut out the sugar cookies first just because that's gonna take forever and I want them to cool so I have time to decorate them. But let's go make our hot cocoa cookies now. Hot cocoa cookies are finished. Gonna put these in the fridge for like an hour and then we can start cutting out our sugar cookies once I clean up a little bit. So this year I bought a little gingerbread cookie cutter and I bought a little nutcracker. I'm surprised I don't have a Christmas tree. I swear I did, but I guess I was borrowing my friends or something because I don't have a Christmas tree, but I have a little angel, a star, a candy cane, and a snowman. So next year I'll have to get a Christmas tree because I don't know why I don't have one. First batch is done. It's like 2 o'clock now and I started this at 12:30. Sugar cookies are still involved. I still have a bit more dough to roll out and cut out, but at least the other cookies will be easy to bake. And then I can't wait to make my fudge. I want it so bad. I'm so excited. But anyway, I hear my son. He woke up from his nap, so we're gonna go grab him. Putting on Sabrina's Christmas special just felt right for the vibes. Like Christmas tree, Sabrina Carpenter, cookies. Alright, all the sugar cookies are done. I'm just waiting for the last batch to go in the oven after these ones finish. So, cool. I think I'm going to make the snickerdoodles next just because they'll be a little bit easier. I added the rest of the block of cream cheese to this because it looks super watery. Or I added the rest of the block of the Velveeta to this because it looks super watery, so I'm hoping that makes it cheesier. I don't know. All the snickerdoodles just came out of the oven. Now let's work on the hot cocoa cookies. Might have been in the fridge too long because there's like a hard shell on the top and it's kind of hard to like form it into balls, but we're working through. Alright, the queso update. Looking much better after I added another 8 ounces of Velveeta. I'm gonna try some of this because it looks fire and I'm hungry. Alright, we're gonna try this. I hope it's good. Okay, it's good. Actually not too spicy, so that's good. Don't climb on there. But yeah, my sister's hosting like a girls' night get-together tomorrow, so I'm going to that with her and some of her friends. And we're doing like a craft, and she said everyone bring a dip, so I'm bringing this queso. It was pretty good. It has a little bit of a kick from the sausage in there, but it's like not overpowering. It kind of just tastes like queso. So I don't think I added too much hot sauce, which is good. Yeah, tastes good. I like it. I think I'm gonna frost some sugar cookies while I wait for these to cool because I have to wait for them to be cool and then I'll put the icing on top. I can't wait to eat these. Working on the fudge now and then we'll frost the cookies. I decided I'm just gonna make the fudge because it's gonna take a while and it's already 4 o'clock. I definitely did something wrong because this is still gooey. Like, I don't even know. it didn't really fudge. Hey guys, so it's like 8:30 now. We just got back from the mall. We did some Christmas shopping and we got dinner. So I finished all my baking all the cookies. I just didn't frost the sugar cookies yet, and my fudge didn't work. I should just use the like 3-ingredient fudge I usually make, but I was trying to use that like TikTok viral fudge that's like the old-fashioned fudge, but something, I don't know, I didn't cook it long enough or something, because it's still like gooey. Like it just feels like hot fudge. It doesn't feel like fudge. So yeah, don't know where that went wrong, but that's a fail. So I might just maybe another day make my usual fudge that I make, because this didn't work. It's too hard. I do work tomorrow, so I don't know if I want to frost the cookies because there's kind of a lot of them. So I might just save that for like tomorrow or Sunday. Yeah, we'll see how I feel. I moved the fudge to this pan, and I'm gonna see if maybe putting it in the fridge makes it solidify. We'll see. For Christmas cookies, I'm all for the like tacky traditional sugar cookies, just like decorating them, having fun, putting sprinkles on them. I don't try to go like the super professional nice ones. I'm just having fun with it. Like I made some of the really nice sugar cookies for my son's birthday. We did Mario stars, and then I did some for my friend's baby shower, and they were like super nice. Like we spent hours on them. These I'm just trying to crank out in like a half an hour. Like I don't even know, I'm just throwing some icing and some sprinkles on them. Just, you know, we like the fun, classic, nostalgic Christmas cookies. That's kind of just my whole vibe for Christmas, is I just like the nostalgic Christmas vibes, you know, old ornaments, colorful red, green Christmas cookies. So yeah, I'm just frosting these up, chilling out for a bit. I figure I just want to finish them because I do want to bring some to girls' night tomorrow, so I just want to frost them so that we have them and they're done. Why the heck do they make these holes too small for the sprinkles to come out of? Like, how do I get them out of here? Like, does this open? I don't know. I'm stupid. They open further. They don't just, you can, yeah. How cute are these little Tupperware I got from Walmart with like the for the cookies? They're so cute. I love little gingerbread houses. Alright you guys, it's 11 o'clock. I'm officially done frosting cookies and baking. It was a long day of baking. But we got it all done, so I'm excited. But yeah, I'm going to bed because I have to work tomorrow. But thank you guys for watching today's video, and I'll see you tomorrow for another day of Vlogmas. Bye!